We are Iowa's most accurate forecast.
2023 is starting off busy. We've got ice storm warnings and winter weather advisories that are in effect. These will start this evening, Monday evening, and go all the way until Tuesday evening. So we've got the ice storm warning across northern and parts of north central Iowa. In our area, this now includes Carroll County, Sac County, Calhoun County, Webster County, Franklin, and also parts of Wright and Humboldt County. Pocahontas and Kossuth County included in that too. Winter weather advisory is in effect for a few counties farther to the south and to the east, including Audubon, Cass, Guthrie, Boone, Greene, and also parts of Hardin and Hamilton County. So it's a pretty big system, and in central Iowa, it's just going to be plain old rain. So let me walk you through it. It is going to be dry through the first part of the day, but very cloudy, and then by 2 to 3 p.m. this gets going in western Iowa, starting as rain there and a little freezing rain and snow to the north. Now by dinner time and early evening, this becomes a widespread thing, especially in central and southern Iowa where we just have rain, maybe a few pockets of thunder, believe it or not. In northern Iowa, we've got freezing rain underway at that hour and snow near the Minnesota border. That same trend continues all the way through midnight. Freezing rain and freezing drizzle to the north and to the west. Plain old rain in central and southern Iowa, and then it actually dries out in the metro and across much of central Iowa tomorrow morning, but it is still going in northwest Iowa, and at that point changing over to snow. We get a little break during the day Tuesday, and then wraparound snow is expected over western and parts of central Iowa during the second half of the day Tuesday, and even into Wednesday as well, when the system still has not quite lost its grip on us. The biggest threat in northern and northwestern Iowa is ice. We could see up to 1/4 inch of ice in Carroll, nearly 1/4 to 1/2 inch of ice in Fort Dodge, with even higher totals farther to the north of that. Areas in this lighter pink closer to where we have the T could see a light glazing of ice, but it will not be ice storm warning criteria there. We could see several inches of snow accumulation in northern Iowa, the highest near the South Dakota and Minnesota border, 1 to 3 inches in Carroll and Fort Dodge, and then likely an inch or less in much of central Iowa before it wraps up on Wednesday. And then, of course, there is the rain threat as well. Later on tonight into the overnight hours, many areas could wind up with more than 1/2 inch of rain. Isolated pockets could be near 1 inch. So there's a lot to keep track of. Our weather team will be on it over the next several days. Our 10-day forecast, brought to you by Holt Plumbing and Heating, shows colder air spilling in Wednesday into Thursday, but Thursday is the day when things get calmer and drier outside.